Our approach was always positive. The result was not in our favor. That's something that's really beyond our control. There were quite a few areas where we had to improve, both in the bowling and the batting department. I felt in this game, it clicked together. It's something that you have to do in tournaments like these. You have to be at your best, and I felt today was one game which was to a lot of extent a very complete game for all of us. I felt the guys did really well because a World Cup opening game against Pakistan, it is a high stake game, but at the same time we don't want to give it too much of an importance, because irrespective of whether you're playing Pakistan or Australia, the games are as important. You get the same number of points, your run rate, depending on the margin you win with, it's the same. So I feel we tried to keep it as normal as possible, and to a lot of extent we were able to do that.
Last four.
I think it's important for us to just concentrate on the games which are coming, we are going to play, because if you just keep on thinking about the game that is gone now, then it's really difficult for you to just perform well. So I think we need to win the coming game and perform well. That's the only way to stay in the tournament.
Your plans?
I think it's all about just taking wickets. We could not just manage to take wickets even at the top, and then even in the middle overs. And when you are not taking wickets, it's really difficult to restrict opposition. But still, I think bowlers did very well in the last session, especially last 10-15 overs. They really bowled well, pulled them back. It was looking that they're going to score 340, 350, but at the end, I think they pulled them really back. 300 was pretty much chaseable, the kind of pitch it was. The ball was really coming well on the bat. But I think it's all about just going there, making partnerships and just finishing the games. But we just lost wickets on a regular basis, and 3 wickets went just like in 6-7 balls. That really hurt us.
India captain MS Dhoni's press conference in the next 10 seconds. Thank you.